Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here again in some more crazy weather. It's we actually had some rain earlier on around just after Christmas, and then the snow melted all the way. It was all gone, and last couple days we've got about a foot of snow. So of course I had to come out and camp in it. There's a little look around the area where I'm going to be setting up tent. Tons of snow. Okay guys, I got my cot on the back of the bike, cleared out all the snow. Maybe I'll get some wood from the barn while I'm here. Don't mind the barn, it's a mess, it's a barn. Oh, these are perfect. That's perfect. Ugh. All right, guys. Should be good. Let's get back up there. Get serious. That goes there. And this wraps around so that when I stop, she doesn't go up in the back. Listen to me grunt. All right, let's go. Okay guys, got the wood on the back there. I think most of it's made the trip. I'm halfway there now. I'm just gonna turn off the bike. It might be cold, it might be snowing and blowing. Listen to it out here. Listen to that. And that's why I come out here, just quiet. All right, let's carry on. Oh, home sweet home. Okay guys, we're back at camp. Time to set up my cot and get to camping. Okay guys, she's all set up. Let's get this wood. I gotta chop it up and get it inside, and we'll warm things up a bit in there. I think I have plenty of wood for the night, so I don't have to worry about it. I can start her up now. Then I got something to show you guys. Okay. I was digging around the snow looking for my chopping block, but I just realized it's over in my bushcraft shelter here. Come on with me. We got work to do. Okay. Process some of this wood. Get it inside. Okay guys, I'm inside. I got some twigs from outside on the cedar trees and some birch bark. I'm gonna get this fire started and warm it up in here. I got camp all set up. I got my wood in, I got the wood stove going. I've got the chimney guide out because it is a little windy back here. And the snow is coming down. I'm glad I'm in the forest. I'm gonna give you a little look around camp. So I've been here probably a couple hours since I've been back with my cot. And snow is heavy. I'm gonna show you around camp. There's the four-wheeler covered in snow. Snow is falling down everywhere in here. I'm just getting covered in it, just standing here for a couple seconds. There's the toboggan. Got a little bit of wood in there for the outdoor fire. I've banged this tent off probably about 4 times already. Crazy. I picked the best weather to come out in. That's why I'm out here, just to test myself. So we've got the stove guide out both ways. Show you inside. Fire's kind of died off a bit here. Wood's a little wet over there, but I got tons of wood. Hopefully for tonight. Got my cot set up. Bed's ready to roll. My chair so I can sit by the fire and enjoy the heat. And bag and everything's over here. And I got my booster because the four-wheeler's not starting. It's battery's going, so I brought that with me in case I need to use it to start the ATV in the morning. I got my water and jet boil for coffee later in the morning. And I did hang a kind of like a ridgeline string to the top here, just so I can hang my lights. This tent doesn't have one. Goes right through where my hammock's supposed to go. And get some light in here for later. Got the doors open currently. Just because I'm in and out still, doing stuff. But yeah, this thing, the snow is heavy, coming down crazy. Got my night light for later hanging in the tree, covered in snow. It'll be fine though. But yeah, that's it. So I'm probably gonna, I got something I gotta show you guys. It's a new product I got from Amazon, and we're gonna cook on it tonight. Can you guess what it is? What time is it? It's only 3:40 right now, so it'll be a couple hours before I pull that out and get it going. We're gonna make up some sausages, potatoes, and rice. That's the plan anyways. That's what I have. I have some jerky for a snack later. We'll dig into that late at night. So yeah, that's it guys. So when it gets closer to dinner, I'll bring you back and I'll show you my new product. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm inside the tent obviously. I finally closed the door. It's getting cold. I'm soaked even through this onesie. I'll have to take it off later once I plan on spending the rest of the night inside or not being outside so much doing stuff. I still got to go out and cook my dinner on the fire. So I'm going to keep this on for now, but just trying to warm up, dry out my gloves by the fire. But yeah, it's warming up in here. I've dumped snow off the roof about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times now. It's just not letting up outside, so I'm going to just sit in here and chill for a bit by the fire, and hopefully the snow will let up a little bit and I can get out there and have an outdoor fire. Starting to get dark outside, so I'm going to start dinner. I'm not necessarily going to eat it right now, but I got to do some potatoes, boil them up on the jet boil, and just get some stuff ready. And then hopefully if the weather lets up, I'm going to go outside and do the sausages on the fire pit. Oops, I gave it away. So I got this new fire pit from Otoland, and it comes with a grill on top and everything. So I'm going to set it up outside and hopefully have a fire, but it is blowing like nuts outside, so I might have to do it in here like I said. But I am going to get the potatoes started, chop them up and get them boiling, and then I'll fry them up in the frying pan, give them a little bit of a browning before we eat them. So let's do that. Okay guys, we're going to dice up these potatoes, cube them up, throw them in the pot, get some water boiling. And I changed my mind. I'm actually going to boil the water and the potatoes on the stove, and I'll save the jet boil for my coffee in the morning. That way I can get my coffee early and I don't have to get the fire going right away. So let's get these chopped up. Now they say the Mora Garberg isn't a good food preparation kind of a knife. This is my first time using it. Seems alright. Sure, it's not like a slice and dice kind of a thing, but I've used the Gerber strong arm before, so this is working out just fine. I'm not picky. They also said it doesn't come sharp, and it had a micro bevel on it, but it's pretty sharp. I'm going to keep my hands out of the way. That's just put it that way. I think I brought way too many potatoes. That's all right though. Give me something to eat later. I'm just going to leave the skins on these guys. Yeah, I can see it now. It's definitely not slicey and dicey, but it's sharp. I got a good fire going in the stove right now, so I'm going to add some water and get these boiling. So I've been chilling in here. It's pitch black outside. Snowing like a... It's snowing a lot outside. So this is what I've been talking about. This is from Odoland. It's a portable fire pit. So we're gonna go outside and set it up, try and get a fire going in it. I was out there splitting some wood. I got it ready, but it's getting dumped down with snow. So hopefully we can get the fire going. And then we're going to cook sausages over this. So let's go outside and see what we can do. All right, let's get this set up here. Comes in this handy dandy case, kind of like a sleeve. That's the grill. We'll put that on after. Those are the tongs to put the grill on. It's got two side plates. It's kind of like a twig stove, only bigger. This piece first. The other side. Should be fun. so much fun in the snow. Oh yeah. And then this just slides in. All right, there it is, guys, from Odoland. Why is that upside down? Anyways, let's try and get a fire going in here. I'm gonna put the grill inside this case for now. So I don't lose any parts. I got some wood here ready to go. That one's a little big. I'm gonna cheat because it's snowing like a bugger out here. Get my fire starter going. Get some smaller pieces. Everything's just covered in snow. Be surprised if I get this going. I get a nice coal base set up. Throw the grill on, throw the sausages on. This is my first time using it. I'm just gonna let that catch. I don't want to smother it too much. And then we'll get the bigger pieces on. And start cooking. All right, guys, we got the fire pit rolling here. I'm just waiting to get a bed of coals. I'll throw the grill on, cook up some sausages. Fire's going inside the tent, keeping it nice and warm. The snow's let up a little bit, so that's good. Having a nice cold bevy, sitting by the fire in the middle of nowhere. Doesn't get much better than this. It's minus 10 outside right now with the wind, but it doesn't feel that bad. I'm actually enjoying this. Trees are creaking. Every now and then you get a drop of snow blowing off the limbs, but this is going, and that's what I wanted to do. So pretty soon we'll be ready to throw the sausages on. Cheers, guys. That's nice. I can't wait any longer. I'm hungry. It's 20 to 7 right now. I'm gonna put this thing on, let it burn off all the chemicals that might be on there. And then cook these sausages. I don't know if this thing's gonna have any warpage or what's going on. It's my first time using it. Sausages right there. They're going on here shortly. It's still snowing. And the fire is kind of high, but I'll just have to tend to it closely. Oh yeah. It's time. It's time. I don't know if this is a non-stick grill or not. I guess we'll find out in a second here. This will probably get things flared up a bit. Oh my God, there's 5 of them. Didn't look like that many in there. Keep this fork handy. I'll be doing some flipping. Cheers, guys. You know, it's funny. When you're in the house looking outside at night, you think you gotta be crazy to be out there, or it's gonna be scary. I have no worries right now. Maybe it's because of this big spotlight, but I'm loving it right now. Sausages, potatoes are done. I just gotta fry them up once these are done. And then I'll bring it all together at the end. I'm not even gonna cook the rice. This sausages and potatoes should be pretty good. All right, trying to get these potatoes rolling. Montreal steak spice, as per usual. Oh yeah, looks good. Smells good. Okay, get these sausages off of here. And then I can pull this grill. And put those guys in there. Look at that. Keep those warm. My God, these potatoes alone are gonna be amazing. All right, guys, I think we're good. Oh, I got a leaf in my potatoes off the lid. You know how hungry I am right now? I already took a bite out of this one, not gonna lie. I'm gonna dump those in there, just because I don't care. Put that over there, cover this up, and let's eat. There it is, guys. Sausage and potatoes, Italian sausages. Steaming hot. Oh. That's good. The potatoes alone. Whew. Let's have a sausage piece. Over an open fire in the middle of a snowstorm. In the middle of nowhere. That's really good. Cold day, cold night, hot food. Can't beat it. This is great. And guys, I'm gonna finish up and I'll catch back with you in a bit. I gotta go out and check the fire after I'm done. Make sure this thing keeps going so I can stay warm tonight. I might go sit outside, or I might make sure that's out, come inside and warm it up in here. Cheers, guys. Wow. Dinner's done. I've been chilling out by the fire. As you can see here, I've got my wood kind of laid out, stacked up, drying by the wood stove. My one water bottle in the green there started to freeze up, so I had to put it over by the fire. The other one's okay. Got enough for coffee in the morning. Lots of wood. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. I'm off to bed. 10 o'clock now, so it's been a long day. You're gonna get a good night's sleep. As you can see, I've moved my bed closer to the fire on an angle. That way I'm not touching the tent anywhere. The condensation or snow buildup overnight. Hopefully have a good sleep. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the morning for coffee. Good night. See you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's 7:30. I've been up and back to bed and up and back to bed a bit. It's cold. See my breath. It's minus 17 right now, feels like. But I'm gonna get up and get the fire going here. I haven't been outside yet. I'm saving that for you guys. So we'll go out together and check it out. Oh, man. Look at my boots. They're frozen to the ground. I'm sure they're gonna be nice and cold inside. I think I'm gonna do the world's quickest pack up today and just throw everything in the toboggan. Make a couple trips and just get everything home. I don't feel like folding stuff off. My laces are frozen on my boots. They're my drawstrings. Okay, let's make a coffee. Ice. Starting to catch, guys. Hopefully warm up in here soon. I'll get a coffee rolling. You guys can see that. Maybe I'll get enough water. There's an ice layer in there for sure. Nescafe, sweet and creamy coffee. Everything's all in there. That's good coffee, nice and hot. I can barely drink it. That's the way I like it though. Cheers, guys. Good morning. Okay guys, coffee's done. Let's go and see what's going on in here. Oh, it's not too bad. Doesn't look like much more than when I went to bed last night. Four-wheeler's a little covered. We'll get her going. Tent held up pretty good. The smoke's rolling at the chimney. Nice. Sure, my pegs will be a joy to get out of the ground. Okay guys, I'm gonna try and stuff this in the stuff sack without actually rolling it up. Give her a little shake. I think I've stuffed it in here before. We'll see how it goes. I did it with my sleeping bag, gets put away. This is all gonna have to be dried when I get home anyways, so it doesn't get moldy. It's gonna fit. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Okay guys, I got everything packed up in the toboggan. 4-wheeler's boosted. The battery's bad. I brought a charger for it, or a booster anyways, just in case. So I'm glad I did, or else I'd be walking back in this deep snow. I'm gonna leave the tent up for now and let the fire die down in the stove, and then come back and get all that. I'm gonna spare you the pack up of the tent. You've seen it all before, but I'd like to thank everybody for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The snow was awesome, and you can't beat that. So I'm gonna head back, but thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you on the next adventure.